Hi, Phil Hundl here with a pipeline update. I want to bring some updated information to you all about the DeLa Express pipeline. We've discussed DeLa Express before, and this is all about giving you a little bit more new information. So recently, DeLa Express put out on the FERC website an update on their mapping. And as you can see right here on my screen, and I use this from time to time, I like being able to show my screen to you all, similar to when we're on a Zoom meetings or team meetings, we can share our screen. So this is what was filed recently with FERC, and it's come out and it's available on the FERC website. And then I want to go over this summary of the project changes in mapping. As you can see, and this is dated as of today, November 8th. I'll scroll real fast. This is the project, and this is what the project looks like. Starts way out in West Texas, middle in Odessa. It has some lateral lines, and then it runs all the way into Lake Charles with another lateral line there. But all along, it is taking mostly the path that is a very well-known pipeline corridor. Different pipelines that many of you all have heard of before, from Chinook to the Bahia line, take this same route. There are some deviations in the route, of course, but it is that similar route. So this will be helpful. I'll put this on the blog on my website, textcondemnationrights.com. You'll see that in the notes of this posting, and there provides a lot more detailed information about the mapping. I want to point out a few things when we roll through this. Look at the legend in this diagram and some of the things that are really, if you're, land is affected by this project, or you believe it will be, you've been contacted by right-of-way agents, they have asked for surveying or temporary access already. Pay attention to if they are proposing a valve site on your property or a compressor station. So the compressor station's in red, and then the valve sites are the green dots. Pay attention to those things. Oftentimes, when someone's property already has an existing pipeline on it, and here comes a second or third pipeline, sometimes the landowner assumes that it will be in the ground just like the others and no above ground appurtenances, and that's not always the case. So let's pay real close attention to that, okay? I'll put this information on the blog. Hopefully this is helpful. Once again, this is the proposed DeLa Express project. It will be a FERC project, interstate, because it is from Texas, obviously, into Louisiana. I understand, or at least imagine or heard, that there was some possible pause on this project, awaiting the results of the presidential election, and that may or may not, it could have influenced this project. I think at this point, it looks like it's going to be proceeding ahead. So stay tuned to more information as it becomes available. I'll share it with you all.